Hello everyone, this is Santej Kalada. So today in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can build a micro SaaS application using N8N. So basically, we'll be building a Google Maps scraper. So before I show you how to build this, let me quickly show you how this automation works. So you'll get an idea what you're going to achieve by the end of this video. So I have built a custom front end for this automation like this. So you can just type a search query. So if it is plumbing, then city maybe Chicago, and country USA, and your email, whatever is your email, and you can just click on the submit button. So once you click on submit button, it will actually scrap all the plumbing businesses in Chicago and then mail it to you. And let me just quickly show you a mail that you're going to receive. See here. Once this automation is run, you'll be getting an email like this. Your Google Maps leads are here. Please find the attached leads. And I'll just open the leads and show you. This is how it looks. So there's a company name, category name, address, phone number, as well as the email address of all the leads. So for the sake of this tutorial, I was just collecting few leads. That is why only few entries are here. So yeah, this is basically what you're going to achieve by the end of this video. Now let me quickly show you how you can actually build this automation and how it works. So to build this automation, we'll be using a site called Apify. See, this is how the Apify site looks like. So basically, Apify, it is a web scraping platform. See, normally if you want to do scraping from some other website, you need to have proxies and stuff. Otherwise, your scrapper will get blocked. So you need to have some sort of technical knowledge. But in Apify, what they have done is there are many developers in Apify who has developed scrappers or actors. Okay, these two words are used simultaneously. That is, actors and scrappers basically means the same thing in Apify. So there are Apify team has built many actors, and even many developers, outside developers has also built many actors, and they are selling it on Apify. So you can actually use those scrappers. And for the sake of this tutorial, you can actually sign up for a free account on Apify. And once you sign up for a free account, they'll be giving you $5 in credits. Okay, so this $5 is more than enough to scrap at least 1,000 leads from Google Maps. And if you want in future, you can go for their starter plan. The starter plan starts at $39 per month. But do not worry, I am actually in talks with the Apify to negotiate a better deal and give you a better pricing. Okay. So once it is finalized, I will give you the link for joining in the description of this video. So I am hoping to give you a very good deal on Apify. Again, for now, if I do not have any deal with me, like you can actually sign up for a free account. That is $5 you'll be getting $5 of Apify credits. And once you have signed up for an account, just go to Apify homepage and you can actually search what actor you want. In our case, we want a Google Maps scrapper, and that Google Maps scrapper is actually available in the homepage by Compass. This is something by a company called Compass. So just click on that Google Maps scrapper. So it will actually show you it is paper event. If you click on this paper event, they'll show you the pricing details. But for now, just know that I have actually gone through their pricing. It is somewhere around $3 to $4 for every 1,000 leads you are generating. So that is actually a very good price. And yeah, coming back, and this is how it looks. So if you have created a free account, and once you are in this page, you can just click on try for free. Once you click on try for free, it will take you to that particular actors page. And in the actors page, you actually have the option to modify all the parameters of that actor. In our Google Maps scrapper, the parameters would be search terms, the number of results to scrap, location, which area to scrap. Then there are many additional filters here. See here. In my case, I have applied a particular filter here called scrap only places with a website. So my thinking is that, like, or my logic is that only if they have, at least if they have the budget to afford a website, only then they'll be able to afford my services. So yeah, that is another filter that I have applied here. Then there are different other filters available here as well. So if you want, you can use any of those filters. And once you have finalized everything, first thing you want to do is, first let me just quickly show you the scrapper or the automation that I have built. See, in Apify you have an option to create all these filters, and after that you can actually click on the start button and it will actually start scrapping as well, and you can get the results from by clicking on the runs. But that is not an efficient method, right? See, we are all automation engineers, we are trying to sell this as a service to different clients, right? So we cannot give them access directly to Apify, because once clients see the website, they will tell that they can directly use this website. Why use our services? So we cannot build a solution like that. So for that, again, using Apify is not an efficient solution as well. So for all this purpose, we'll be using Google Maps. We'll be building an automation in N8N. So the first step in the automation would be a form. A form basically collecting information such as search query, city name, country name, and their email on which they want to receive the report. And again, you can create a form in N8N by just clicking on the plus button, search for form, and click here, and you will be able to create the form. Next thing is basically an HTTP request node. Again, to create an HTTP request node, just search for HTTP, click on this one, and you will be having a node like this. Okay, so just click on that node and you can fill the parameters here. And one thing I want to make it clear right away is that, see, if you're not able to understand all the things, or if you want this automation for completely for free, see, I will be giving you this automation absolutely free of cost. Okay. So what I'll be doing is like I'll be giving a link to my school community. So all my YouTube videos or whatever automations that I have built and built tutorials on, all those automations are available completely for free in my community, school community called AI Growth Tribe. And please note that my community is absolutely free for you to join. So all you have to do is just join my school community, and in my school community, you can just click on this YouTube resources, and in YouTube's resources you will be able to see that. Otherwise what you can do is just click on the search button, and in the search bar just search for the title of this video and you will be getting that. So this is one of the videos that I have created. This is just for the sake of an example. So if I just click on that, see, you will have an option to download the automation. Okay. Anyway, coming back to our tutorial, we have discussed the first step, which is basically a form submission where we will be collecting all the details. Next is running this actor. We need to run this actor programmatically, right? So for that, first thing we have to do is we have to get the URL using which we can call this actor. For that, just click on this API and click on API endpoints. So there are different API endpoints: run actor synchronously, and run actor synchronously, and get dataset items. I will be interested in this one because for this step, it will be just running the actor. Like, you won't be getting the output. For getting output, you again have to send an HTTP request. Okay, so to solve that problem, we'll be using this particular URL. Okay, this particular URL. And after this, here you have to give your Apify key. See, Apify team, they'll be already filling it for you. If I just click on this button, I'll be able to see my token. Anyway, in this video, I don't want to show my token, so I'll just click on this copy button. And after that, I'll just copy this and put it here in the URL. And method should be post. And these things you can keep it off. And for body, you can select it on. And content type, select it as JSON. And specify body, click on using JSON. Now this particular JSON, this is actually all the parameters we'll be sending to this actor. So you don't have to manually type this and all. See, here in your actor, if you have actually given all your parameters, just give all your sample parameters here. And next, all you have to do is just click on this JSON and you will be able to get the complete JSON. So I'll just copy that and I'll put it here. Okay, I'll paste it here. And as for location query, I'll replace it with my city name and country name from the form. And again, search query also, I'll be replacing it with the search query from the form. That's all. Okay. And next, I have a set of filter node. Okay. Basically, because if you call this actor, it won't be giving you only, see, it won't be giving you like results with only emails. Okay, there will be some results without emails as well. So I'm just filtering all the entries which have emails in them. Okay, So you can just use the filter node, just type search for filter, click on the filter node and connect it here. And here, just what I am doing is I'm just searching for this entry. That is JSON emails. Like if there is an email, it will be there in this particular field. Okay. From Apify, I'm just making sure that that array is not empty. If it is not empty, that means that there will be emails. Next, once I have the filtered results, I'll be converting it into CSV because we need to email it to our prospects or we need to email it to our clients, right? So just search for convert to file node, just click on it. And here, put the output file in the field contacts. That's just for my reference. Then output file name. Again, you can give whatever file name you need. And if these options are not there with you, like see here, now I do not have the delimit option. Just click on add option and add this one as well. Now the next step we have to do is see, once we have this file, all you have to do is just mail it to your client. So I'm using a Gmail node here. I'm hoping that you already have a Gmail node with Gmail connected to it. If you do not have Gmail connected to it, like I'll give a link to another video where I'll be showing you how you can connect your Gmail account to N8N, or you can just search in YouTube. You'll be able to see tons of tutorials for this. Then to address, I'm using the address from the form. Okay. And here your Google Map leads are here. Please find that as leads. And here in the options, I have enabled attachments and attachment field names, that is contacts. Okay, that is a field name from this particular node. Put output file in field. We have given the field as contact. So we'll be using the same field here as well. Okay, so that's it. Very simple automation, just 5 steps in total, right? So this is something you can actually sell to clients for somewhere around $500 to $1,000. Very simple automation. So I hope that you found this video useful. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any doubts, please drop them in the comment section below. And again, if you want to get this automation totally free of cost, what you can do is, as I told you, just check the link in the description. I have given a link to my school community. You can join the school community absolutely free of cost and search for the title of this video in the school community, and you'll be able to get this automation totally free of cost. So I hope to see you guys in another video. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time.